World Wide Web as we know today has undoubtedly changed our life. It is not confined to a software engineer or a computer scientist. Everyone is using it. A doctor, an engineer, a professor, a high school graduate, school-going teens, even our grandparents, everyone. So what makes it so intuitive, so phenomenal? One big reason is the simplicity of its interface. You need zero knowledge of computer science to open a website and, for example, book an air ticket or buy a gadget. But apart from that, it has many other properties which makes it so popular. Mr. Roy Fielding, who is the principal author of HTTP specification, kind of listed those principles or constraints within which World Wide Web operates, and he called those principles REST, or representational state transfer. Lately, REST is in popular use for building web services, which is of course the topic that we will cover. But by this time it should be clear in your mind that REST is an architectural style of writing an application. This architectural style defines a set of constraints which must be followed if you want to write RESTful application. REST is not specific for web service. Your World Wide Web follows REST architecture, and in fact any application which follows REST architectural style can be termed as a RESTful application. Similarly, if you write a web service which follows REST architectural style, it is called RESTful web service. In other words, a RESTful web service is a web service which operates within the set of constraints defined by REST architectural style. In next chapter, we will understand what are those constraints or principles defined by REST architecture.